Hey guys, so Josh here, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a basic Cobra knot bracelet. So the first thing you need to do is get, if you're making two colors, get your two different colors of paracord and snip the ends, and then you're going to want to burn both sides and then stick them together. So I'll do that now. So just like that. So now they're connected. So this is going to be a tutorial with a buckle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your female end of the buckle, and you're going to want to put the cord down through the top like so. So it should look like this. So now is what you're going to want to do is put both ends down through the loop and pull it tight. So this is what you should have right now. So the next step is then to put your right end down through the male buckle like that. And then you're going to want to put your other color going up through the male buckle. And then pull both ends tight. So after that, this is what you should have. So the first step in this is you take the one coming from the top, so it's coming out the bottom, and you cross that over. And then you take your other side that's coming out the top and go over, so just like this, and then under, and then back up through the loop. And that's your knot. Now you pull back and then slowly tighten, just like that. So your first knot should look just like that. And then you reverse the process. So you take the left side and come over like that, and then the right side and go under, and then back up through the loop like this. So it should look like that. And then you pull down and then tighten again. So we'll do that a couple more times, and then I'll skip to the end. So now the right side goes over, and then the left side goes over this strand, and then under the middle, and then up through the top. Now the left side going over, forming a loop, right side going over this strand, under the middle, and up through the loop. So just repeat this process until you come to the end of your bracelet. So when you get to your desired length, you're gonna want to make sure you fill up the whole thing completely. And when you get to the end, it should look just like this. Okay? So now there's two ways to finish this. One is with a paracord needle, where you thread it back, where you thread the ends back through. But since most people don't have those, I'm going to just use the snip and singe method. So I will show you that now. So once you're satisfied with your bracelet, you're going to want to take it off with a jig, or if you're not using a jig, then just, I don't know, just take it off. So this is almost done now. So the last thing you're going to do is you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut it right up as close as you can get to there. So right there. And the same for the other side. Now get your lighter and put the end of the flame right up against it. Try not to burn the other parts of the bracelet. And do the same on the other side. And then push it in. And there you have it. That's your finished bracelet. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thanks.